of Christmas cooking. I was thinking about what I was going to make for these 12 days of Christmas baking leading up to the holidays. I knew that I wanted to make recipes that were tried and true, that not only plant-based eating people would like, but something that I would be able to share with all of our family and friends, but also things that would keep me happy and full over the holidays as well. Because, like, let's be real, Christmas time is a time where personally I overindulge a little bit with eating, and I love all of the Christmas treats. Last year was my first full holiday season as being fully plant-based. Over the last 2 years, I've really learned that preparation is key. The only successful way, living in a small town with very limited vegan options, to be able to feed my belly is to really plan. Going through drive-thrus or, getting takeout delivered really isn't an option here. There's not a lot of options unless I wanted to eat like endless pizza with no cheese. So preparation is most definitely key. Recipes are some of my favorite recipes, and they're honestly what continues to allow me to thrive during the holidays as a plant-based mom of 4. These recipes are some of my favorite, and they are tried, tested, and true by all of our family. They make wonderful recipes to be able to, whip up fairly quickly. Most of them don't take a long time, and it's really, really great to be able to bring them and share. What's even better is the fact that that you'll be able to eat them. Christmas was still a COVID Christmas for us, so we were at home, but over some of the holidays, over the last 2 years, I have not prepared properly, and I'm stuck eating the fruit and vegetable platters, which is fine, but at the end of the day, there's no protein, and I'm left starving, and I don't want that. So we are going to be doing some breakfast, pre-breakfast munchies that are really lovely to have on hand, as we're approaching Christmas and all of your festivity days. These next 12 days, I am going to give you some of the easiest, but yet super, super filling recipes that you'll be able to share, but you'll also be able to leave feeling nice and full. So today, we are going to continue along the breakfast theme. So we've made pancakes, we have made pancakes and waffles, we've made 2 types of banana muffins to use up all those speckly bananas, and today we will make scones. The scone recipe is extremely versatile in the sense that if you're craving sweet, you can add chocolate. If you are craving savory, you could add some chives, garlic, and some cheese to it, vegan or not. If you want a berry medley, you can add whatever berries you choose. The options for this are really endless. It's a really good base recipe to have in the back of your pocket. And today, what I've chosen is, I love your traditional raisin scones, so that's what we're going to make. But then I also love lemon blueberry. So we are sitting at the 12th of December right now, so we are cutting it close, but there's nothing that I love more than a good challenge. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, here are all the ingredients that we are going to need, and this will be super easy. All I want to say is that your butter needs to be cold, because we're going to kind of cut it in with 2 knives, and you want it to be chilly just so it kind of comes up like a crummy texture. But other than that, it's super easy, so let's get into it.
sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply echoing their joyous strains. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly, sweetly through the night, and the mountains in reply echoing their brief delight. In excelsis Deo, shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains